Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by organizing the dataset in one contiguous range with a single header row. Ensure there are no blank rows or columns inside the data. Convert that range to a table by selecting any cell in the range and pressing Ctrl+T or using Insert Table. This preserves formulas and expands automatically. Verify that dates are stored as actual Excel dates and numeric values are numbers, not text, because Form 1099-like identifiers and dollar amounts must behave as values for accurate aggregation and filtering. With the table selected, go to Insert Pivot Table and choose whether to place the pivot in a new worksheet or an existing one. Confirm the table name is selected. Build the layout by dragging fields into rows for categories, columns for crosstabs, values for calculations, and filters for top-level slicing. Use value field settings to set aggregation to sum, count, average, or show values as percentage of column or grand total to display proportions like 25% instantly. Refine the pivot by applying filters, adding slicers, or inserting a timeline for date-driven dashboards. Slicers make selection visual and timelines limit by month, quarter, or year. Group date fields by right-clicking a date cell and choosing Group, then pick months or years, or group numeric fields into ranges like /bin/sh, 000 increments to reveal trends. After you change the source table, right-click the pivot table and choose Refresh, or enable Refresh on Open to ensure the pivot reflects the latest data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.